Guess what? I bought the Qauince. I think it was a month ago. I ate it in Ghana. There's a video. Only to find out that this fruit, you must cook it first.
Learn. Okay. So, yeah. Let's open us into it. They're installing a window. So there is going to be noise. Let's open us into it. Guess what? I bought the Qauince. I think it was a month ago. I ate it in Ghana. There's a video. Only to find out that this fruit, you must cook it first. Straight. I need to redeem myself. I need to refine this fruit, cook it, and eat it again. Cause nah, dog, ridiculous. Okay, this time is not a young convo. It's a food review. So I've been seeing weird fruits by the fruit and veg section. Weird fruits. So I wanted to try those fruits. So today I went out there and buy this thing. It's a Qauince. It's a Qauince. This thing. I don't know where the fuck it comes from. So it will be my first time trying this. See this thing? It looks like an apple, but it's not. Features nyana with Pierre, but it's not. You get. So today we're gonna know. We're gonna know. Why is it so hot, dog? The heck? What the fuck is this? Here's the middle part. I didn't even clean this thing. I'm coming back.
Excel, grand, Mar. Grand. Like grand.
Clean now. It's clean now. Let's actually taste this thing, dog. Yo. Well, here goes nothing.